Namaste everyone, welcome to your yoga channel Yog Vinyas. Once again we are here with one another tutorial video on how to perform Janushirshasana, seated forward. So let's get started. Start by sitting on the floor with your legs extended in front of you. Bend your right knee and bring the sole of your right foot to rest against your left inner thigh. Inhale deeply and focus on lengthening your spine. Exhale and slowly hinge forward at the hips, reaching towards your left foot with your hands. Keep your spine long and upright throughout the pose. Avoid rounding your back as you fold forward. If you can't reach your foot, what should be done? You can use a strap or a towel to loop around your foot and hold on to it. Remember to breathe deeply as you hold the pose for a few breaths. Letting go of any tension and tightness in your body, try to relax your shoulders and neck, allowing them to soften and release any tension. If you feel any discomfort or pain, ease off and modify the pose by bending your knees slightly or using a prop like bolster or blanket. Now focus on the stretch in the back of your left leg and opening in your hip as you hold the pose. As you inhale, visualize energy flowing through your spine. And as you exhale, imagine releasing any tightness or resistance in your body. Hold the pose for about 30 seconds to a minute, breathing deeply and surrendering to the present moment. To come out of the pose, slowly lift your torso back up, stretch your right leg and return to the initial seated position. Repeat the pose on the other side, bending your left knee and stretching forward towards your right foot. Now you can try off more deeper forward bend, with the exhalation keeping your back straight and long. With regular practice, Janushirshasana will help you improve the flexibility in your hamstring, your hip muscle and your lower back. Remember to always listen to your body, respect its limits. I hope this tutorial was helpful in guiding you through detailed description of this posture. If you really enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts regarding any asana, please mention in the comment section. Till then, stay healthy and keep practicing.